CTM is a common skincare acronym that stands for Cleanse, Tone, and Moisturize. It refers to a basic skincare routine that involves 3 steps. 1. Cleanse. This step involves washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin. Cleansing helps to unclog pores, prevent breakouts, and maintain the skin's natural balance. 2. Tone. After cleansing, you can use a toner to restore the skin's natural pH balance and provide additional benefits, such as hydration or exfoliation. Toners are available in different forms, including liquids, pads, and sprays. 3. Moisturize. The final step in the CTM routine is moisturizing. This step helps to hydrate the skin and prevent dryness. Moisturizers come in different textures and formulas, including lotions, creams, and gels, and are available for different skin types and concerns. It's important to choose products that are suitable for your skin type and the specific skin concerns you are trying to address. For example, if you have oily skin, you might choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer, while if you have dry skin, you might opt for a richer, more hydrating formula. Additionally, it's best to use products that are non-irritating and free of harsh chemicals and fragrances.